This 2006 National RV Sea Breeze is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used National RV is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features a beige interior, sleeps 6, microwave, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stovetop burner, TV, water heater, awning, skylight, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2006 National RV Sea Breeze is built on a Detroit chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.